Join the Music Learning Collective today and be a part of the evolution of music education. Make the most of learning digitally, interacting and receiving regular feedback to accelerate your learning. With our guitar course, you can access content from Premier and Debut through to levels 1 to 8 and enjoy step-by-step lessons in a structured pathway that ensures you progress. Including hit tunes, RSL originals, technical exercises, scales and improvisation, sight reading and ear training at every level. You can even gain accreditation. Make use of our videos from Debut to Level 5, where our tutors demonstrate different pieces and exercises. Each video has notation and tabs synced with real recordings of multiple camera angles. Together with backing tracks and guide tracks, you have the ability to change the tempo, loop sections, view the fretboard or piano, play to a metronome, transpose and even flip from left to right-handed. However you like to learn, you can learn your way, with support from tutors in our online community. It's time to get loud.